Hey guys, so welcome back to another quick TikTok tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be helping you how to make your TikTok account public. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, we will open our TikTok mobile application and then we are just simply going to press on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. As you guys can see that this is my profile, and then I'll tap on the three lines at the top right corner of the screen and I'll head towards settings and privacy. Then I will simply tap on privacy. Then the first option under the discovered ability would be to toggle on or off the private account feature. It's something like a private account, only people you allow can follow you and see your videos and like. So simply this helps to set whenever you want to public or private account. So now you can toggle it on if you just want a private account, but clearly you are watching this video because you want to public your account, and if this was set to private you can toggle it off, and now it will showing you a warning that switch to public account. As you guys can see that all your videos and content will be shifted to public. So after that you simply have to click on switch, and now everyone could see your videos and comments on them, things like that of nature. So well, if you doesn't want a public account, simply turn this off, and when you feel like you want to make your account private, simply toggle this back. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.